Greetings. My name is Pedro Noguera. I'm the Dean at the Rossier School of Education. I'd like to invite you to the 45th Pullias lecture that will be held at USC here on March 28th. This year I'll be moderating a panel of distinguished experts on diversity, equity, and inclusion. As we know, DEI has been in the news, a source of great controversy and under attack. This year, we're going to look at how diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts can be retained and preserved in higher education. We'll also discuss strategies and ideas for what you and your campus might do to mitigate these attacks. I think you'll find this discussion stimulating and relevant to your needs. Our panel will include Dr. Eddie Cole from UCLA, Dr. Liliana Garces from the University of Texas at Austin, and Dr. Royelle Johnson, who is a member of our faculty here at Rossier, USC. All of them are esteemed scholars who have extensive bodies of work in the field related to diversity, equity, and inclusion. You'll also hear from Adriana Kizar, who is the director of the Pullias Center. So please join me. Registration is open. We look forward to seeing you there.